Looking for a reliable and feature-rich Forex broker to take your trading to the next level? In this video, we're taking a closer look at IUX, a next-generation CFD broker that's quickly gaining attention among traders looking for institutional-grade performance. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. IUX offers access to a wide range of markets, all through a platform designed for speed, transparency, and precision. The broker focuses on providing raw pricing with spreads starting from 0.0 pips, allowing traders to benefit from tight execution and competitive costs. With execution speeds averaging under 30 milliseconds, IUX ensures fast order processing through its direct communication to deep liquidity pools and a no-dealing desk model. The company emphasizes transparency and fairness in its pricing, giving traders full visibility over their trades and eliminating hidden markups. Whether you're a retail trader looking for low spreads or an advanced trader in need of reliable performance, IUX aims to deliver a professional-grade trading experience for everyone. IUX offers traders a comprehensive range of over 250 CFD instruments, making it a versatile platform for both new and experienced traders. Its offerings include major and minor Forex pairs, allowing access to the world's most liquid currency markets, as well as a variety of global indices that track leading stock markets around the world. Traders can also explore commodities such as gold, silver, and oil, alongside stocks from well-known international companies, providing opportunities for exposure to key global industries. For those interested in digital assets, IUX features cryptocurrency CFDs that can be traded 24/7, while thematic indices allow traders to focus on specific sectors or market trends like technology or green energy. By combining traditional and emerging markets into one platform, IUX enables traders to diversify their strategies, respond to different market conditions, and take advantage of a broad range of trading opportunities, all within a streamlined and professional trading environment. IUX operates under a strong regulatory framework designed to ensure transparency, trust, and the protection of its clients. The broker holds licenses from several reputable authorities, including the Financial Services Authority of St. Vincent and the Grenadines, the Financial Sector Conduct Authority in South Africa, the Financial Services Commission in Mauritius, and the Australian Securities and Investments Commission. These regulatory approvals demonstrate IUX's commitment to maintaining high international standards for financial services. In addition to regulatory oversight, IUX prioritizes client security through advanced encryption, strict data protection measures, and robust compliance procedures, ensuring that traders' funds and personal information are safeguarded at all times. IUX offers a variety of bonuses and promotions to enhance the trading experience for both new and existing clients. New traders can benefit from a $30 no-deposit welcome bonus, which is automatically credited upon account registration, and identity verification. This bonus allows traders to start trading without an initial deposit, with profits earned being withdrawable upon meeting specific trading conditions. Additionally, IUX provides deposit bonuses for Standard Plus account holders. Traders can receive a 35% bonus up to $300 on their first deposit, and once this bonus is fully utilized, a 25% bonus up to $3,000 is available. These bonuses are designed to boost trading capital, enabling traders to explore more opportunities in the market. For those interested in cashback rewards, IUX has partnered with UTS Pay, offering traders the chance to earn cashback on every trade, regardless of the outcome. The cashback rate varies based on the broker, currency pair, and trading volume, providing an additional incentive for active traders. It's important to note that all bonuses are subject to specific terms and conditions, including eligibility criteria and usage restrictions. Traders are encouraged to review the full terms to ensure compliance and maximize the benefits of these offers. IUX offers a range of advanced trading platforms designed to meet the needs of different types of traders. Its web trader provides a browser-based solution, allowing traders to access their accounts and execute trades directly from any web browser without downloads, while offering real-time charts, advanced analytical tools, and high-level security. For those who prefer trading on the go, the IUX trading application is available for both iOS and Android devices, enabling users to manage their trades, track market movements, and follow economic events anytime, with multi-time frame analysis, technical indicators, and real-time portfolio tracking. Additionally, IUX supports MetaTrader 5, a professional-grade platform suitable for multi-asset trading, offering faster order execution, enhanced charting, and automated trading capabilities. Together, these platforms provide traders with the flexibility, speed, and tools needed for an efficient and professional trading experience. IUX offers a variety of trading account types, designed to cater to traders of all experience levels, from beginners to professionals. The standard account is ideal for newcomers, requiring no minimum deposit and offering leverage up to 1 to 3,000, providing access to a broad range of instruments and an easy entry point into trading. The Standard Plus account builds on this by offering additional features and benefits such as enhanced trading tools and improved execution, making it suitable for traders looking to expand their capabilities. For more experienced traders, the Raw account delivers some of the most lowest spreads in the market, starting from 0.0 pips with a commission-based structure and a minimum deposit of just $3, allowing for precise, cost-effective trading with direct market access. Finally, the Pro account is tailored for professional traders seeking advanced trading conditions, low spreads, and zero commission, making it an optimal choice for those aiming to minimize trading costs while maximizing efficiency. Each account type is structured to provide the necessary tools, resources, and trading conditions to meet the diverse needs of traders at every stage of their journey. IUX offers Islamic, swap-free trading accounts across all its main account types, Standard, Raw, and Pro, to accommodate traders who adhere to Sharia law. These accounts are designed to eliminate overnight interest charges, ensuring compliance with Islamic finance principles that prohibit earning or paying interest. Instead of traditional swap fees, Islamic accounts may include a fixed administration fee to cover operational costs, though IUX strives to keep these charges minimal and transparent. IUX provides a fully functional demo trading account that allows you to practice trading in real market conditions, test different strategies, and familiarize yourself with the platform, all without any financial risk. Whether you're a beginner learning the basics or an experienced trader refining your techniques, their demo account helps traders build confidence and master the art of trading before making real investments. You can create up to 6 demo accounts and delete them anytime, offering flexibility to explore various strategies and account types. Creating an account with IUX is a simple and straightforward process. Firstly, what you want to do is head over to their homepage, and on their homepage, simply click on the Open Account button. Next, submit your country of residence and fill out your email address in order to create your IUX account. After you have opened your account, you will be redirected to the IUX client portal. Within the client portal, you can create live or demo accounts, view transactions, analytics, contests, contact support, and much more. What you'll want to do next is create your preferred trading account type. Keep in mind that in order to open a live account, you will need to submit and complete your account application process in order to open a live account, or you can simply open a demo account. Create your preferred trading account type, and then you'll want to download and install your preferred trading platform. In our case, we decided to go with the MetaTrader 5 trading platform. Download and install your preferred trading platform, and then simply log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 5 terminal with IUX. At the top left of the dashboard, you have your Market Watch. Here you can browse and switch between all of the broker's available market instruments. In the center of the dashboard, you have your trading chart. At the top of the chart, a variety of drawing tools, chart types, and indicators to help you customize your chart according to your preferences. If you are new to trading and are new to any of the broker's trading platforms, IUX provides a wide variety of helpful educational content. to help you understand the basics of platform functionality and to place your first trade. IUX offers a seamless and secure process for both deposits and withdrawals, ensuring that traders can manage their funds with ease. Deposits can be made using various methods, including credit and debit cards, electronic payment systems, and local bank transfers. Most deposits are processed immediately, allowing traders to begin trading without delay. It's important to note that IUX requires deposits to be made from accounts in the client's name to ensure security and compliance with anti-money laundering regulations. Additionally, while IUX does not charge fees for deposits or withdrawals, third-party providers or banks may impose their own fees. Withdrawals are equally straightforward. The name on the withdrawal account must match the name on the IUX account to ensure the security of the transaction. Withdrawals are typically processed within 5 to 10 minutes, though processing times may vary depending on the method and provider. For added security, IUX adheres to PCI DSS standards when processing card payments, partnering with trusted card processors that are regularly audited to ensure the protection of sensitive customer data. Overall, IUX provides a user-friendly and secure environment for managing deposits and withdrawals, enabling traders to focus on their trading activities with confidence. IUX provides a comprehensive suite of educational resources designed to empower traders and investors at all levels. Their platform offers a structured learning path through the IUX Academy, featuring beginner to advanced courses on topics such as stock trading, gold markets, and investment strategies. Each course is thoughtfully organized with clear objectives, practical examples, and engaging multimedia content to facilitate effective learning. Beyond structured courses, IUX's Education Hub offers a wealth of articles and guides, covering a wide array of subjects, including Forex trading, cryptocurrency markets, and thematic investing. These resources are tailored to various experience levels, providing actionable insights and strategies to enhance trading skills. Additionally, IUX regularly updates its content to reflect current market trends and developments, ensuring that learners have access to the most relevant and timely information. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your trading strategies, IUX's educational offerings are designed to support your growth and success in the financial markets. Additionally, IUX provides a comprehensive suite of market news and analysis tools to support traders in making informed decisions. Their platform integrates advanced features from TradingView, offering real-time market quotes, detailed charts, and live financial news. Traders can access an economic calendar to monitor upcoming events and utilize a market screener to filter assets based on specific criteria. Additionally, IUX offers educational resources that delve into news-based trading strategies. For instance, their article on Forex trading strategies based on news emphasizes the importance of analyzing market expectations before news releases and comparing them with actual figures to anticipate market movements. These tools and resources are designed to help traders navigate the complexities of the financial markets, enhancing their ability to execute well-informed trades. Overall, IUX stands out as a robust and dynamic trading platform tailored to meet the needs of both novice and seasoned traders. With a diverse range of account types, including standard, raw, pro, and Islamic accounts, traders can select the option that best aligns with their trading style and objectives. The platform offers competitive spreads, high leverage up to 1 to 3,000, and a user-friendly interface, accessible via web, mobile, and MetaTrader 5. Security and regulatory compliance are at the forefront of IUX's operations. The company adheres to stringent anti-money laundering and know-your-customer procedures, ensuring a secure trading environment. Client funds are protected through segregation and held in Tier 1 banks, with regular audits to maintain financial integrity. Additionally, IUX is a member of the Financial Commission, providing clients with an additional layer of protection. For traders seeking to enhance their skills, IUX offers a comprehensive educational hub featuring articles, guides, and tutorials on various trading topics. These resources are designed to empower traders with the knowledge needed to navigate the complexities of the financial markets. IUX combines advanced trading technology, stringent security measures, and a commitment to client education, making it a compelling choice for traders aiming to succeed in the global financial markets. And that is our overview of IUX. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.